In this tutorial, I'll explain how to manage the photo contest. I'll actually be creating a new page for the 2008 Smooth Fox Terrier photo contest as we go along. First, we want to create a page for the 2008 photo contest. Looking at the navigation bar, we only have 2012 and 2009, so first we need to create a page for 2008, then we need to create a page for 2008 Smooth Fox Terriers. So, go into Pages, Add New. First, we will add the page called 2008, and we will tell it the parent is going to be Photo Contest. Hit Publish. Now we want to add a new page specifically for Smooth Fox Terriers. I will change the parent of this page to be 2008. After doing this and clicking refresh on the front end, you can see 2012, 2009, now we have 2008 with Smooth properly set as the grandchild. There's nothing on this page yet. So, first thing we're going to do is go into our gallery, and we want to add gallery/images. You can upload images one at a time. What I'm going to do is actually upload a zip file, because I have a zip file of all the 2008 Smooth Fox Terrier images all in one. Select Choose File. Here's my zip file. I'm going to hit Open. I just hit Return. Into a new gallery is what I want. I'm going to click Start Upload, and you can see a progress bar in the lower left-hand corner. It's almost there. And then it'll create the thumbnails, doing a little bit of processing for you. But this will make it so that visitors viewing the gallery will show pages and they will not take a long time to load. Everything will be very optimized. Alright, so now it says successfully added, gallery successfully created. I'm going to go ahead and edit gallery. I'm going to change this gallery title to 2008 Smooths. The description is going to be 2008 Smooth Fox Terrier Photo Contest. One thing that I didn't mention is that there's no need to actually do any resizing or aspect ratio fixing before you've uploaded, because you can do a little bit here, but the gallery itself can handle different sizes. It'll sort of standardize them for the thumbnail, and then for the full-size image it'll display whatever size you want. So don't even worry about it. It can even be huge, and it'll just show a huge image for visitors. So change the title, change the description. One side note with the aspect ratio, if the image is way too wide or way too tall, then the JW player will stretch it. I'll show you what the JW player is right now. So let's go to this one, for example, 2012 Smooths. And if you go to Show as Slideshow, this is the JW player here. If you were to use images that are way too wide or way too tall, it'll zoom them in, so it'll actually be cutting off a lot of it. So you want to avoid that. But in general, I mean, as long as they're close, just nothing too crazy, like a vertical line. Anyway, now, first thing we want to do, we want to make sure that this gallery links to a page. So I'm going to link this gallery, 2008 Smooths, right here to 2008 Smooth. And then when this is all set, I'll click Save Changes. Now if you want to, you can edit the image titles and descriptions here. Right now it's just using the file name as the title. Here's the description box right here. You can also add tags which give you ways to categorize images, but you don't really need to mess with that if you don't want to. And you can also, well, one thing to note is you want to put the owner name in the description box, because this is what is going to be hidden when you want to hide everything for the judging. So this will stay displayed, but whatever goes in here you can hide for later purposes. And the way that you actually do that is by going into Appearance, Editor, going down to style.css, style sheet, clicking on it, it's already clicked. And right at the top here, we've got Shutter Description, Display Block. I have a little note for you. Change block to none to hide slideshow description. Just select this text, change that to none, and then go down to the very bottom here and click Update File. And what that'll do is hide the descriptions. If you want to later make them visible again, change this display back to block. How this all plays out on the front end is on the JW player, the title is displayed here on the hover box, and if there's no title specified, it'll show the description. If no description, it'll show the file name. When you're in gallery view, and you click on an image, pop open a new window, title shows here, description shows here. Description will be hidden, obviously, if you've changed it to hide. Now back to the gallery. Let's go back to Manage Gallery. Let's manage 2008 Smooths, which we were just working on. Another cool thing to know is if you want to, you can rotate the thumbnail here. You can rotate the image. You can also edit the thumbnail, which is kind of what is cropped to show the thumbnail image if it's too wide or too tall. And also something to note is uploaded images will automatically appear here if people have used the upload functionality here. Someone uploads an image, it'll show up in this list on the gallery that you've had the upload box added, and this exclude box will be checked. So when someone uploads an image, it's not automatically there, but you'll see it here, and then if you accept it, you want it to display, you'll probably want to change the description to add the title here and keep the description down here. You'll just uncheck that box, and then it'll be displayed after you click Save Changes. So now what we want to do, now that we have this gallery, is we want to add the gallery to an album. So go into Album here on the left, and right now we've got two albums, 2009 and 2012. We want a new album for 2008. So I'm going to type 2008 up here and click Add. Now that we're here, we're currently editing album 2008. So if you wanted to change which one you're editing, do that here. And what I want to do is put 2008 Smooths into 2008 album. So I just drag it over there, click Update, and there it is. Some other things to note is you have some options for the gallery. For example, if you want to, you can choose to add a watermark to all images in the gallery. You could say like copyright Fox Terrier Network. But beware, this will permanently change all of the photos that you've added to galleries. It will permanently add this watermark, so you cannot remove this later. Make sure this is something you want to do. And also, if you want to change some things about the slideshow, which is again the slideshow mode, it's this cool little player. If you want to change the settings for this, go into your options, go into slideshow, and you can change the interval. For example, this is 3-second interval. You can also change the effect down here, transition, fade effect. Right now it's on random, it'll just do a random one of these, but if you don't like some of those, you can just choose one to use. Finally, one more thing, if you, be sure to click Save Changes on anytime you're done saving or editing the settings. Let's say you wanted to add a gallery to a different page. Say I wanted to add it to the About page manually. Or actually, no, what we want to do right now is go to the 2008 Smooth page, edit that, and I want to actually insert that gallery that we just created. To do so, click the Add Next Gen Gallery button and select the gallery you want to add. I want to add 2008 Smooths, and click Insert and click Update. And then if you go to that page, let's go to 2008 Smooth. There it is. There's your gallery. Click an image, pops open. Click it again to close it. There's some instructions right here. And one more thing that we need to do, 2008 page is now blank. What we want to do is add the 2008 album to this page. To do so, go to Edit 2008. And what I want to do is actually insert an album. I want to insert the 2008 album on this page. I'll click Update, and there it is. You can also use the ID code, just type this in yourself, bracket album ID equals 3. And you know the ID by looking in the Manage Gallery section. Finally, I'm just going to take this out because it's superfluous. Finally, what I want to do is actually edit the photo contest page, because what this page is a list of all the albums. I want to add this last album, Shift Enter there, to this page and click Update. And what this has now done is it's added the 2008 album to the photo contest page. If you don't actually go into the navigation, you just click photo contest, it'll show you all the photo contests all in a row. And now everything is all linked up. Click 2008 Smooths, and you're now on the 2008 Smooth page. Some more advanced functionality. Let's go back to the Gallery, Manage Gallery section. Let's say you wanted to reorder the posts or the gallery images, photo contest images. Click Sort Gallery, and you can actually just drag and drop to wherever you want this to go. You see that little bar show up? So that bar will tell you where it's going to go when you let go. You can just drag them however you want. You can also pre-sort them by all of these attributes. And then when you're done, click Update Sort Order, and it'll say Sort Order Changed. Let's go back to Gallery. Say this is in the wrong gallery. I actually want this in 2009. So I'm going to check these two boxes to move them. Go to Bulk Actions and either Move to or Copy to, and it'll let me choose a new gallery to put them in. You can also do a few other things by looking at all these features. Make sure, as always, to click Save Changes when you're done. Now, to add a new upload box for a new gallery, simply go to the page where the gallery resides and position the cursor where you want the upload box to show. Here I want it to be above the gallery like it is currently on the 2012 contest. So, all you need to do, oh here we go, all you need to do, there's your upload box, is click this icon to the right of the new gallery, insert gallery or album button. This one will upload an image box. And then you choose the gallery where you want uploads to go. So let's say I want people to be able to upload to the 2008 gallery. Click Insert and hit Update, and you're done.